Welcome to InfyGyan friends. In this video, we have one very interesting rational equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominators cannot be 0. And I will check our equation at x equal to 0. So 2 times 0 will be 0 over 0 plus 0 minus 2 plus 7 times 0 is 0 over 0 plus 0 minus 4. So 0 plus 0, is it equal to 2? No, it is not. So our conclusion will be x cannot be 0. So I can take x common from the denominator. So x is common. In the bracket it will be x plus 1 minus 2 over x. Here also I will take x common. In the bracket 2x plus 5 minus 4 over x. RHS is 2. Now x is non-zero, so we can cancel x from the numerator and denominator. I will write 2 over x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 7 over 2x minus 4 over x plus 5 equal to 2. Now I can take 2 common from here. So I will be writing our equation as 2 over x minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 7 over 2 is common. In the bracket x minus 2 over x plus 5 equal to 2. Now we have x minus 2 over x minus 2 over x. So let us consider x minus 2 over x equal to, suppose u. So our equation will become 2 over u plus 1 plus 7 over 2u plus 5 equal to 2. Now I can take LCM. So I will multiply our denominators, u plus 1 times 2u plus 5, then cross product 2 times 2u plus 5 plus 7 times u plus 1 equal to 2. Now I will simplify. So 4u plus 10 plus 7u plus 7. And then I will cross multiply. I can write here 2 times u plus 1 times 2u plus 5. So LHS will give us 11u plus 17. So I can write 11u plus 17 equal to 2 times product of both brackets. I will get 2u square plus 7u plus 5, or I can write 11u plus 17 equal to 4u square plus 14u plus 10. Now I will take all the terms to RHS. So 4u square, 14u minus 11u will be 3u, 10 minus 17 minus 7 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. And formula is u equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a, where a is coefficient of u square, so 4 it is, b is coefficient of u, so 3, and c is constant, so negative 7. Let us plug in the values. Minus b, so I will write minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square minus 4 times c is negative 7 over 2 times 4. Further I can write minus 3 plus minus 3 square is 9 plus minus times minus will be plus 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 7 is 112. So 9 plus 112 will be 121. Denominator is 8. So I can write minus 3 plus minus square root 121 over 8. So I can write u will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root 121 is 11 over 8. U will be equal to minus 3 plus 11 over 8 minus 3 minus 11 over 8. So this will give us 8 over 8. Here we can write negative 14 over 8. So here value will be 1 and here I will be writing minus 7 over 4. Now u was our substitution, x minus 2 over x 1 and negative 7 over 4. So I can frame two equations, x minus 2 over x equal to 1 and second equation x minus 2 over x equal to negative 7 over 4. Second equation. Let's solve. So I will write x minus 2 over x equal to 1. Let us multiply both sides by x. Now I will simplify. X square minus 2 equal to x. Or I can write x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Again we have quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. Directly we can write x equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. So minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 over 2 times 1, which will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 8 over 2. 1 plus minus square root 9 over 2. Square root 9 is 3. So we can write 1 plus minus 3 over 2. So with plus sign I will be writing 1 plus 3 over 2. With minus sign in between I will write 1 minus 3 over 2. So we will get x equal to 4 over 2 or negative 2 over 2. So our conclusion will be x equal to 2 and x equal to negative 1. Two real solutions. Now the turn of second equation. I will write x minus 2 over x equal to negative 7 over 4. Again I will multiply both sides by x. X. So LHS will be x square minus 2. And RHS is negative 7x over 4. Multiply this equation with 4. So I will write 4x square minus 8 equal to negative 7x. Or I can write 4x square plus 7x minus 8 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. Let's use quadratic formula once again. X will be equal to minus b. So minus 7 plus minus square root of b square. So 7 square 49 minus 4 times c is negative 8 over 2a. So I will write 2 times 4 will be equal to minus 7 plus minus square root 49 plus 16 times 8, 128 over 8. So x will be equal to negative 7 plus minus square root 177 over 8. So again we have two real solutions. So overall 4 solutions are here. Let me write our solutions. X equal to -1, 2, -7 plus minus is square root of 177 over 8. Let us verify the first two solutions. So I will write here check. X equal to -1. Equation is here. So I will write LHS. 2 times x. So I will be writing 2 times -1 over -1 is square. So 1 plus x means -1 minus 2 plus 7 times x. So 7 times -1 over 2x is square. So 2 plus 5x. So -5 minus 4. Let's simplify. So -2 over -2 plus -7 over 2 minus 9. So here I will write 1 plus -7 over -7. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2, which is our RHS. Hence x equal to -1 is our true solution. Now the turn of x equal to 2. So I will write LHS 2x. So I will write 4 over x is square. So 2 is square 4 plus x. So plus 2 minus 2 plus 7 times 2. So I will write 14 over 2x is square. So 8 plus 5x. So plus 10 minus 4. Now I will cancel plus 2 and minus 2. So 4 over 4 will give us 1 plus 14 over 18 minus 4. So 14. So again we are getting 1 plus 1, which will give us 2 our RHS. Hence this is also verified solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Till next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe.